Are you still guessing your way through critical business decisions while your competitors are making data-backed decisions, or you don't even have enough data, or you don't have data at all? Most business owners are drowning in data they don't even understand. Flat files, scattered reports, multiple phone calls just to get a project update. Sound familiar? You lose time, you miss opportunities, and you fall behind. My name is Fimbas Ezama, founder and chief consultant at FIVO BI Services. I'm a major in economics, first class graduate, and I have over 3 years of experience in data science. Hands-on, I'm also a certified business intelligence professional. I've trained over 75 people in data analytics and machine learning, utilizing Python, Excel, SQL, and Power BI. At FIVO BI Services, we convert chaos into actionable insights. Our FIVO Strategic Intelligence System combines dashboards and business intelligence strategy to meet your exact business needs. Here's how we help. We assess your business problems and then your goals. We design and deploy strategic dashboards and systems that are tailored to your operations. We then give you clear, real-time insights for better decisions. No more guesswork. Plus, we train your teams to use these tools effectively. After utilizing FIVO's strategic intelligence system, Mandy's gym recorded its highest ever income month in its history. On an individual level, one of our clients, Suki, utilized our dashboard and proceeded as a result to the next stage, or the final stage actually, of his RBC Canada interview. Want to see it in action? Book a free consultation with us to see how data can work for you and not against you. Mind you, we have limited slots of projects that we can handle in a month.